Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Dream Weaver's Oracle. This is by Colette Baron-Reid, illustrated by Joel Nakamura. It is a 44 card deck and guidebook published by Hay House. This retails for $24.99 in the US and $33.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links, including my Etsy shop where I do private readings, and my Whatnot link where I sell my handmade ritual items and crochet goodies. And again, I am not reaching out to anybody to offer readings. All of my readings are done either on Etsy or through this YouTube channel. So let's get into it. Discover the forgotten myths of the Dream Weavers, mystical beings who shape reality and act as our helpers from the hidden realms. The archetypes and symbolisms within each oracle card will help you step into your role as a powerful co-creator on your epic journey of evolution and self-discovery. You will remember that you are a powerful dream weaver too, weaving your own hopes and dreams, manifesting your desires into the fabric of reality. All right, let's get into it. Oh, how fun. Awesome. And then we have, you are the magic you're looking for. Oh, I love that. You are more than you know, meant for a magical, meaningful life. All right, so here's the deck. Before we get into that, I'm going to just take a peek here at the guidebook to see if there's anything that we need to know before going into it. We do have a table of contents. So how to work with this and how this oracle will serve you, and then it goes into the card's meanings. All right. You will develop a conscious connection to the universe, engaging it as your partner in co-creation and sacred revelation. You will begin to remember that you are more than you know, meant for a magical, meaningful life. You are the magic you're looking for. Each card in this deck expresses a universal metaphor that reflects your personal experience and shows that these star beings truly see you and are witness to your epic journey of evolution, co-creation, and self-discovery. They will remind you that you are a powerful dream weaver too, weaving your own hopes and dreams, manifesting your inspired desires through compassionate self-actualization into the fabric of reality. Your life matters, your dreams matter for all of us. It is in the highest good of all that you succeed. When you recognize your power as a dream weaver, you move from being the shaped to being the shaper. You step into your role as powerful co-creator, surrendering to fate and life on life's term, and choosing your destiny with clarity and intention. This deck is to be intended to be read with the cards always upright, so no reversed or upside down cards. We have a 1 card reading, 2 card, 3 card, and that's it on the spreads. All right, let's get into the flip through here. So here's the back. It's so pretty. And the cardstock it's not paper thin. It is a little bit thicker than I was anticipating it to be. I like it a lot better than the last Colette Baron-Reid deck that was put out. I felt like the cardstock was a little bit thinner on that deck. So this is a little bit thicker, still flexible. It is a matte with like a slight gloss because there is a bit of a reflection there. But yeah, I wouldn't call it a glossy deck. I'm sure this will shuffle really nicely. All right, so we have a number and then a little blurb there. A lot to see in each card. Ooh. Yeah, this is definitely a different feel for Colette's work. But that's not a bad thing. It's nice to switch it up every once in a while. This is very surreal. I like it. It's weird, but a good weird. Does that make sense? It's like trippy. Ooh, that prism. Oh. Oh, wow. Do your dreams look like this? Do you have ambiguous shapes? Things that look different? Or do you have pretty realistic dreams based in reality? So cool. I'm really excited to get into the guidebook. There's just so much here in each card. Oh my goodness. Winter spirits. All the shoes fell from the sky. That's interesting. And it's a skunk shoe. Huh. Aw. Oh. It's definitely a unique deck. Very different. Ooh, when the grit becomes a pearl. Wow. It's pretty. A little axolotl. Oh, we love the dogs. Oh my goodness. Oh, and they're sheep. I thought they were little moons or asteroids. See, like there's so much here. Oh, I love that paw. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh, it's so sweet. And last card. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Oh yeah, it's stiffer for sure. It still bends, but it snaps back. Look at that. Yeah, I prefer this cardstock to what it was like last year. Okay, we're going to read for that one, but yeah, it definitely shuffles nice either way that you want to do it. No issues. The cards don't stick to each other. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to read in the book for All the Willows Know Your Name. Okay, number 13. All right, we have the essential meaning, being witnessed and seen by another, being understood, the flexibility of healthy relationships and interdependence. It's such a beautiful feeling to know that you are truly seen by another or by a whole community. When you are known, accepted, and witnessed by others, you have a wonderful sense of connection and communication. You feel the grounded safety of belonging. These are the kinds of relationships present in your life now, and they provide you with plenty of room to grow. This sense of connection rises from a space of transparency, honest, trust, and radical self-acceptance. You naturally invite others to see you as you see yourself, in the fullness of your expression. When you shine, it comes with a true desire to share, and that is compelling and attractive to others who can appreciate you. Know that right now you are seen, witnessed, respected, appreciated, and accepted. You don't have to look for approval, for you already have it. Remember that you shine on behalf of the divine. And isn't it amazing that all the willows know your name? Doesn't that feel good? Oh, I don't know who needed to hear that, but I sure did today. Wow, I think that this is very different. It's very unique. I love the guidebook. I think that that's a different take. This can be used for, utilizing dream work or creativity or a daily deck for daily pulls, confirmation deck. There's a lot of ways that you can utilize this. I think this is definitely a fun one from Colette Baron-Reid. The artwork is so unique, so different, so fun. I'm going to like to get to knowing this deck. I think that this would be a very deep one once you start working with it a lot more. Yeah, I'm especially drawn to this one. This one was interesting. Yeah, I feel like this is one of those decks that every time you use it, there's going to be something new that you pay attention to or that you see. It's definitely going to be something that I'm going to enjoy learning through. So with that being said, I would now love to know what your thoughts on this deck is. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you already own? Because I know that it's been out for quite some time now. Is this something that you are now interested in, or is this a pass for you? Do you have something similar already in your possession? Let me know all your thoughts down below in the comment section. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop me a cloud emoji if there is one, if not a moon, to let me know that you've made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much, everyone, for all of your love, all of your support, for continually watching. I don't know how to express how much I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you again. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.